Looking for a lovely open lacy crochet stitch that's a 1-row repeat? If you are, the Double Crochet V Stitch might just be the one you're looking for. This easy 1-row repeat crochet stitch works up really quickly and turns out very beautiful. It looks the same on both sides. If you're ready to learn, let's grab a hook and some yarn and we'll get crocheting. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so you get notifications of when I post new videos, and don't forget to give me some feedback on this video. Give me a like or a comment, let me know what I did well or things that I could improve upon. For the Double Crochet V Stitch, you're going to have to know how to do a couple of different crochet stitches. First off, you're going to need to know how to chain stitch. You are also going to need to know how to double crochet stitch. If you need to learn those stitches or need a brush up on those stitches, you could check out the tutorials that I have linked below in the description. For today's tutorial, you're going to need to gather a few things. So first off, you're going to need some yarn. For today's tutorial, I'm going to use this size 4 medium weight yarn in this teal color. You're going to need a yarn needle for weaving in any ends. I'm going to use a size J 6.0 millimeter crochet hook, and you're going to need a pair of scissors for cutting your yarn. Use whatever works best for you. This tutorial is written using US crochet terms. The Double Crochet V Stitch needs a multiple of 3 plus 2 when you're beginning with a chain stitch, which is what I recommend. So again, you need a multiple of 3 plus 2. So for today's tutorial, my multiple of 3 is going to be 12. I'm going to add 2 more chains, and that's going to take us up to 14. So let's begin chaining. So I'm going to chain 14. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 chains. So again, 14 is my multiple of 3 plus 2, my multiple of 3 being 12, and then I add 2. So the reason it's a multiple of 3 plus 2 is each double crochet V stitch takes 3 stitches to complete, and then you need a double crochet at the start and at the end of each row. So that's why you have your multiple of 3. 3 is what the double crochet V stitch needs, and then you start and stop each row with a double crochet stitch, and that's the plus 2. We're going to begin by working into the 4th chain from the crochet hook. Now I just want to point out that these skipped chains are going to count as the very first double crochet for this row. So again, I'm working into the 4th chain from the hook. Into the 4th chain from the hook, I'm going to place a double crochet stitch. I'm going to chain 1, and then I'm going to work another double crochet into that same space. That completes my first double crochet V stitch. Now I'm going to skip 2 chains, so skip and skip. Into the 3rd chain, I'm going to place 1 double crochet. I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to place another double crochet stitch. That completes another double crochet V stitch. So again, when I talk about the 3 stitches that the double crochet V takes up, it's the 2 skipped chains as well as the one that you work all 3 stitches into. So let's repeat. So we're going to skip, and into this 3rd chain here, we're going to place a double crochet. We're going to chain 1, and then we're going to place another double crochet. Now we're going to skip into that 3rd one. We're going to place a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. So you should notice we repeated the exact same thing across the row, where we skip, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Repeat, skip, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, all into the same until you get to the end of the row. At the end of the row, you should have 1 chain left, and into that last chain, you should work 1 singular double crochet stitch. And that completes row 1. For row 2, we're going to begin by chaining 2 and turning our work. After turning your work, I just want to point out that this chain 2 does indeed count as a double crochet stitch, so it is counted in our stitch count. Now for this row, we're going to work into the chain 1 spaces from the previous row. So into that chain 1 space, we're going to place a double crochet, a chain 1, and another double crochet. So we are working our double crochet V stitches into the chain 1 spaces from the previous row. Now we'll skip all the way over here to the next chain 1 space and repeat. We're going to double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet, all in that same chain 1 space. Skip over to the next chain 1 space and repeat. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, go to the last chain 1 space. So again, we're not working into anything other than those chain 1 spaces. So we're double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet into that last chain 1 space. And then for the last double crochet of the row, we're going to work into the top of the turning chains. So right here into the top of the chains. So we're not working into this space. We're coming over here and we're working into the top of the chains to place our last double crochet of the row. Because remember, each row starts and stops with a double crochet, and that completes row 2. For any remaining rows of the double crochet V-stitch, you are simply going to repeat row 2. So again, you chain 2, turn your work. This counts as the first double crochet, and then we work into the chain 1 spaces across, and we place a double crochet, chain 1, and a double crochet in each of the chain 1 gaps across. And then when you get to the end of the row, remember you have to work a double crochet in that turning chain in the top of it. So again, in each chain 1 space, you're working a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. That's how you get the V-stitch. Here we are to our last one. So double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Again, you work the very last double crochet of the row into the top of the turning chain. So right here into this space. We are not working here. We are working here for the last double crochet stitch. We'll place it right there. And that would complete any of your remaining rows of the crochet V-stitch. Now, one thing I want to point out is I don't do anything special for a finishing row for this crochet V-stitch. The reason why is if you look at our bottom start, it looks almost exactly the same as the top. If I do anything different than the double crochet V-stitch row, the repeat of row 2, it's going to look odd because I worked into the chain and started right into those double crochet V-stitches. So I just simply do as many rows as needed with the double crochet V-stitch, and I call it good. I don't do anything special to finish this stitch off. And that's how to double crochet V-stitch. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so you get notifications of when I post new videos. And if you're looking for another lovely open kind of lacy crochet stitch just like this, you can check out my iris stitch tutorial right here. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day.